exploring the oldest, famous, and best churches in London. Discover the rich history of London's oldest, famous, and best churches, from stunning architecture to spiritual significance. London is a city steeped in history and culture, with countless landmarks and attractions that showcase its past and present. Among these landmarks are its many churches, which have stood for centuries as symbols of faith, community, and artistry. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the oldest, famous, and best churches in London, exploring their unique features, fascinating histories, and enduring legacies. Photo by Figan Kokol on Pexels.com. Oldest church in London. St. Bartholomew the Great is widely considered to be the oldest church in London, dating back to 1123. This beautiful Romanesque building has survived many centuries of turmoil and change, including the Great Fire of London in 1666 and World War II bombings. Despite its age, St. Bartholomew the Great continues to serve as an active place of worship, as well as a popular filming location for movies and TV shows, such as 4 Weddings and a Funeral and Sherlock Holmes. Famous church in London. Westminster Abbey is arguably the most famous church in London, renowned for its stunning Gothic architecture and rich history. This iconic church has served as the site of coronations, weddings, and funerals for British monarchs since 1066, and its intricate carvings, stained glass windows, and tombs of famous figures such as William Shakespeare and Charles Dickens attract millions of visitors each year. A true symbol of English identity and pride, Westminster Abbey is a must-see for anyone visiting London. Best church in London. Choosing the best church in London is a subjective matter, as each church has its own unique features and appeals. However, St. Paul's Cathedral is widely regarded as one of the city's most impressive churches, thanks to its stunning Baroque architecture, magnificent dome, and impressive collection of art and artifacts. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren after the Great Fire of London, St. Paul's Cathedral has served as a symbol of resilience and hope for the city, as well as a popular tourist attraction and place of worship. Other oldest churches in London. St. Etheldreda's Church. St. Etheldreda's Church is another ancient church in London, dating back to the 13th century. Located in Holborn, this stunning church features Gothic architecture, beautiful stained glass windows, and a rich history of serving as a Catholic refuge during the reign of Henry VIII. Today, St. Etheldreda's Church is a popular venue for concerts, lectures, and cultural events. St. Helen's Bishopsgate. St. Helen's Bishopsgate is another historic church in London, dating back to the 12th century. This beautiful church features Romanesque and Gothic architecture, as well as a striking spire that dominates the city's skyline. St. Helen's Bishopsgate is known for its vibrant community, engaging sermons, and commitment to social justice. Other famous churches in London. St. Martin, in the Fields. St. Martin, in the Fields is a famous church in London, known for its elegant Georgian architecture, stunning interior, and impressive musical performances. Located in Trafalgar Square, this church has a long history of serving the community, providing outreach programs, and hosting cultural events. It also serves as a popular venue for weddings and special occasions. St. James's Church, Piccadilly. St. James's Church, Piccadilly is another famous church in London, known for its stunning architecture and rich cultural heritage. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren, this beautiful church features Baroque and Rococo elements, as well as a striking tower and impressive collection of artwork. St. James's Church, Piccadilly is also renowned for its engaging sermons, music concerts, and community outreach programs. Other best churches in London. St. Bride's Church. St. Bride's Church is a stunning example of English Baroque architecture located in Fleet Street. This beautiful church is known for its impressive steeple, which inspired the design of modern-day wedding cakes. St. Bride's Church is also famous for its history of printing and journalism, as it served as a hub for the printing industry during the 16th and 17th centuries. All Hallows by the Tower. All Hallows by the Tower is a charming church located in the heart of the City of London, known for its stunning medieval architecture and fascinating history. Dating back to 675 AD, this church has survived countless wars, fires, and restorations, making it a true testament to London's resilience. All Hallows by the Tower is also famous for its impressive collection of artifacts, including Roman and Saxon remains, a 17th century sword, and a replica of the church's original 7th century altar. FAQs. Q. Can you visit these churches for free? A. Most churches in London are open to the public and do not charge admission fees, although donations are always appreciated. However, some churches may charge for special events or tours. Q. Are these churches still active places of worship? A. Yes, all of the churches mentioned in this article are still active places of worship with regular services and community programs. Q. Are there any restrictions on visiting these churches? A. Visitors are generally welcome to explore these churches during opening hours, but it's important to respect their religious significance and dress appropriately. Some churches may also have restrictions on photography or specific areas that are off-limits to visitors. London's oldest, famous, and best churches are a testament to the city's rich history, cultural diversity, and enduring legacy. From stunning architecture and intricate artwork to spiritual significance and community engagement, these churches offer something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or a spiritual seeker. So next time you're in London, be sure to visit one of these iconic landmarks and discover the beauty and wonder of London's churches. An experienced photographer and passionate traveler, I am a communication sciences graduate with experience as a social media manager. I created this blog to share my passion for travel, the discovery of fascinating new places, and the exciting stories we encounter along the way.